we shall strive to make India a forklift accident-free country through training. In the absence of forklift training schools in India, the industry hands it over to automobile drivers. The operations are carried out by people who do not have any formal education or any adequate training on these equipments. Our enterprise is the first of its kind in India. While many companies are involved in sales and service of forklift trucks, there are virtually none in the forklift operator safety training space. Although it is a premium institute with no competitors, our courses are economically feasible for everyone. It is based on the fact that these courses are for safety of forklift operators who usually are from the lower strata of the society. We are aiming to establish a full-fledged Forklift Academy, which will produce forklift operators, hands-on training and classroom for theoretical lectures. This would be the first forklift training school of India and shall strive to maintain the first position enjoyed now.
Forklift Academy of India.